Hey guys! Welcome back to another video from Lacey. Today I'm going to be making some mini fluffy slime. This is the big batch of fluffy slime I made, but I'm going to be making a mini batch. If you hear noises in the background, that's my sister making a really cool checkerboard cake. I have my little bit of Elmer's glue in here. And then I want to take like half a teaspoon of flour, not even, because there's so little glue. I'm just going to add like a little sprinkle of flour. I just want to mix that in. That should actually make your slime form a lot. So if it forms...
Okay, it melted in the middle.
That's... Okay. Then you're going to need foam. It has to be foamy. So I'm just going to add in your foam. You shouldn't have to add too much. And then my sister just kind of threw that at me. That's okay.
Just making sure you remember you have it.
Yeah. Yeah. Shaving foam does make a big mess, so be careful with that. And once you have that, it looks really foamy, slimy. Then you need some Tide. Over here. I'm just gonna add in some Tide, which should activate your whole entire thing. So we have our little fluffy slime here. Stick. And then we're just going to add a bit more Tide in here. If you keep adding Tide, it should get all of the excess off of the bowl. It should no longer be that sticky. You should be able to squeeze it, and then the more you need, the less sticky it will get. I know this looks really bad right now, but that's because there's a lot of laundry detergent in here. But keep kneading, and you shall have your fluffy slime ball. So here's your mini fluffy slime compared to the huge, ginormous monster fluffy slime. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, this fluffy slime feels amazing because it's so fluffy. I'm gonna let my sister hold it. It just stuck to her hand. She doesn't like it stuck to her hand.
I don't like sticky things.
Not a lot of people do like sticky things. You just keep adding some Tide. Whatever. I'm actually going to add some Tide to my big batch. A little bit of Tide. Should do a lot. Alright. I think Tide is a good laundry detergent because I added about... I didn't add a lot of Tide, and it makes it really non-sticky. So yeah, here's your fluffy slime. Comment and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.